were too wide and through two.
I had it in neutral just because it slowed down, so I put it in drive.
This time a wheel didn't fall off the golf cart, I did. They can't hear you.
Yes, they can.
No, they can't. You don't have a microphone on. And Christian almost had an accident, almost fell off the pit cart. And with that, we're gonna wrap things up today. We will see you all for race day or practice tomorrow?
Both.
Race day and practice tomorrow. Today's Friday, isn't it?
Yep.
Race day and practice tomorrow, or qualifying, I should say, but see y'all tomorrow.